So I had to put another SD card in. I had the wrong SD card. Now I'll change that. Check it out. Look at all that wonderful tongue space. But you're thinking, that's not enough tongue space. Actually, it's an extendable tongue. Watch this. Yeah, just messing with you. I got it scooted up so I could work on the fiberglass. It goes behind the fender. Let's see. There we go. I had run out of SD card or memory. I had to go in and get the proper memory card. I don't know how I picked that piece of junk up. I'm gonna put a little bit of epoxy on here where I've sanded it. And all this ugly stuff down here is going to be painted, so it doesn't matter about that ink on it. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is I want to go along and seal the edges. See, it has a little bit of sealer right there. I want to seal the edges all the way down, and then on the roof you should be able to see one up there I was working on. I'm just going to brush that on, fill that gap in, so that whenever I get ready and sand it, all I have to do is wipe off the dust from sanding, and then lay on some fiberglass mat and put some more resin on there. Then I'll be scooting the air conditioner out another inch, and then I'll put this down. Then scooting it out. This is one of those things you throw on your barbecue grill. I'll flatten it out. And I'm going to put it right here to save the fence from getting bumped and dinged. I don't like my fence looking all dinged up. Alright, that's it for today on the 5x10 Teardrop Camper without a galley. See y'all soon.